Hello, my name is Fred Jensen. I'm the product manager for PowerLog, a geo-software application. And today I'm going to talk to you about how you can use outlier detection to really improve the quality of synthetics. So let's start off by taking a look at outlier detection. Now, outlier detection is one of the automated log editing packages in PowerLog, and it's available in the latest releases of PowerLog 11. So we have automated depth matching, outlier detection, log editing patching, and we also have similarity analysis, a Jupyter application. So let's look at outlier detection. And here you can see outlier detection. We set a level of impurities, how much data we want to reject. We set a smoothing filter, and we input the curves we want to use to detect outliers. And we're going to use the delta rho curve, a caliper, and then the neutron density. And we're going to generate a flag, a quality curve, a smooth flag, and this very important reference curve, the OD null curve, which will null out the data over the intervals of bad data. So we're detecting with the outliers, and here you can see the caliper showing all the washouts and the delta rho curve showing low quality density curves. And here's the outlier flags that were generated. And here you can see this is showing you where we're nulling out not only the values, but we're also nulling out the depth curve over those intervals. So let's go ahead and generate a synthetic. We're using the synthetic curve generator. We could also use some of the Python ecosystem tools like neural networks or regressors like multilinear regression or gradient boost. And we're going to go ahead and generate a rho B curve using the resistivity, deep, a gamma ray, a shallow induction, the PE curve, and the neutron. Here's the important part. We're going to generate this. We're going to use the OD null curve as our sampling grid and eliminate the bad data. We're going to generate a model. So let's take a look at how they correlate. The deep correlates to closest. We're going to run the parameters correction, and then we're going to generate a rho Z curve for multilinear regression. And once it's finished, we're going to take a look at the quality of these curves. Now we're generating the curve over the entire interval. We are not using the sample rate. So let's take a look at the curves we just generated. Here is the original data, the original density neutron. And you can see that we have a lot of scatter, a lot of bad data, particularly in the washed out areas, which in this case conforms to largely the shaly areas. Here you can see what the synthetic looks like, and now we have this beautiful boomerang shaped density neutron crossplot that you see in literature but rarely see in real life. And now you can see your shale responses. But to highlight the quality of this curve, we're going to go ahead and show you what it looks like with the gamma ray coloring the density neutron crossplot. Here's your sands running right on the sand line. Here's your silts, and here's your clays running right on the clay line. So what we demonstrated is how you can use outlier detection to dramatically improve the quality of synthetic curves generated using the PowerLog 11 automated log editing packages. Thank you for your time.